Okay, in this video, we will learn how to evaluate an absolute value of a given number. All right, we have four numbers here, and you probably have learned that absolute value of a number is either a positive or a zero. It's never a negative. All right. Conceptually, absolute value is really nothing more than a distance from 0 to a given number. For example, number 1, the problem is absolute value of 95. Now you can think of how far is 95 away from 0? Well, answer is 95. So the answer to this is equal to 95. Okay, number 2, the number is negative 95. Now, as I said, you probably learned that if a number inside the absolute value is a negative, then it just becomes a positive. But like I said, conceptually, this means this distance from 0 to negative 95 is also 95. Okay, number 3 is a little bit different in that the negative is outside of the absolute value. That means it is the opposite. Remember the opposite? The negative of absolute value of 95. Now the absolute value of 95 is just 95, but it's the opposite of that. So the answer should just be negative 95. Number 4, we have two negatives, and some of you may have been taught that two negatives make it a positive. Different story when you have absolute value. So here it's negative because there's a negative outside of the absolute value of negative 95, which is 95. So again, here the two negatives don't make it a positive. All right, so those are the 4 answers for this problem set.